Hey guys, this is TJ Squither. In today's video, I'll be doing unboxing and reviewing Trick or Treat Studios Cinnamon Chucky Glen doll, which I just ordered this thing for I just ordered this thing January 2020, which I was 22 years old, and unfortunately it got delayed. So well, the good news is I got this March on Thursday, which I kind of happy I got this doll already. So he's in the box, and if you guys want me to show you this more detail, I'm on the box. You guys can see there's Glen, like in the movie. And there is the artwork of Glen, which that's actually kind of cool though, because I kind of like the artwork. And it says, "Scene of Chucky, time to rise some hell, get a load of Glen." And if you guys can see, it says here, "I'm a real lady killer if you catch my drift." Yeah, it's kind of weird, you know why Glen, you know he's like a real lady killer, because well, Gwen is not actually like a killer doll from Chucky, but I don't know. I think Gwen is a good person, if that makes sense. But Gwen doesn't actually never kill people. But so yeah, so oh yeah, so one thing, yeah, like if yes, sorry about the box is actually wide open because it's because it's so kind of hard to open the package up, because the package is so full of sticky tapes, because they're trying to keep the box safe, and it's kind of hard. But yeah, I do apologize, but anyway. So yeah, so if you guys can see, that's the artwork of Glen right there. And I kind of like they have their own box, because it kind of reminds me like a Good Guy doll box version from John's Play in 1988 version, I should say. But I don't know, I could be right or wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's not actually like a kind of reminds me like a Good Guy doll box. But I could be right. It could be like the same size as a Good Guy doll box, but yeah. So yeah, it's kind of cool because you guys can see this Gwen holding the axe when he decapitates Chucky for killing him from Chucky film or movie. So yeah. And the side. Yeah. It's just the same thing. Yeah. And there's Glenn in the box. So let me get this bad boy out of the box. Yeah, I gotta be very careful opening the box, because I don't want to damage the box, because it's a good collectibles item, so be very careful. Sorry. Okay, just take this box out of the way. And so we get a look of Glenn. Yeah, and his hair's kind of a bit crazy, a bit spiky, but yeah. But don't worry, I could just like get a comb and brush his crazy hair, but yeah. Man, Tony got an amazing job of Glenn. Kind of surprising, cause you kind of see this like came out of a scene in Chucky film. Yeah. And he has a hole in it, just like in a movie. And I said, kind of like his shoes. And he has socks. Yeah, so I was trying to make him stand on his own, but he can't stand on his own. But I mean, it's okay. I mean, he doesn't stand. I just gave him like a play stand to make him stand. But yeah, the back. Yeah, you guys can see he has a thing that comes off on his back of his black shirt, like this. So yeah. Yeah, I guess me and Tony Garn did an amazing job making Glenn. Yeah, that's his hair. Yeah. You guys can see he has like some a little bit lines to his hair because I guess maybe just made his hair a bit shorter because I guess he likes to just like cut it off a little bit to make his hair short at the back of his head. And yes, he does have like bow-tone waist. You can move his hand. Yeah, but you need to be very careful because those stars are kind of made of like I guess I like full wire, I should say. So you need to be very careful using these stars. Oh yeah, if you guys can see, his hands is made in Japan. On his waist, like in the movie, it says made in Japan. Just like from in the scene in Chucky that Chucky has made in Japan as well. So yeah. Yeah, I apologize. His hair is kind of crazy. Yeah, I do apologize. And his eyes are kind of bluish, I should say, because I kind of like his eyes. And he does have a little bit like eyelashes. I mean, his eyelashes I kind of feel like they're like real eyelashes, but a little bit because it kind of feels a little bit soft, a little bit. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure his eyes are kind of painted on, if that makes sense. But his eyes are just like feel a bit like plasticky, if that makes sense. But yeah. And let's see here. And he has like a long black t-shirt, I should say. And you guys can see yeah, it kind of feels like a little bit not like stuffing, but it kind of is a bit more like rubber, plasticky, I should say. So it kind of makes sense because you have to be very careful using these dolls because I know Chucky replica dolls are really expensive because, well, the Glen doll cost me $500, but yeah. So yeah, so if you're not like a Chucky fan, that's fine. Or if you're not biggest, if you're not a character of Glen, that's fine. I mean, I know Gwen used to be one of my favorite characters from Chucky, but I know Gwen is not like a, I guess like a type of character, if it makes sense. But yeah. So yeah, so I was thinking right now, so if I have Glenn, I'm pretty sure I might get Tiffany her as well, be honest with you, because I think I just saved another $500 from her, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I might get Tiffany her as well. I'm not entirely sure I might get Chucky or not, because I think Chucky cost him $600, but we'll find out if I save enough money, because yeah, like sometimes it says like collect the whole family, but yeah. So yeah, so that's all the time we had for this video. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys share this channel. And make sure you guys hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next video. So that's all the time we have there. So TJ Squid out.